As 2016 draws to a close, I would like us to reflect on the Sustainable Development Goals that we launched this year and the contributions of our different organizations towards achieving those bold goals in 14 short years. In the case of ICRISAT, we're hosting the Grain, Legumes and Dryland Cereals CG research programs. And this year being the International Year of Pulses, I would like to reflect especially on our contributions to pulses and grain legumes in different regions where we work in partnership. Here in India, we have worked very closely with the Government of India, which is the largest producer, consumer, but also importer of pulses. Pulses are a staple component of the diet here in India. And so we need to make sure that pulses are accessible and affordable to all consumers. And to that end, laying out a roadmap for India to become pulse self-sufficient is very important. So in working with the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and 8 state governments, we're laying out a roadmap to use a portion, actually 500,000 hectares, of that 12 million hectares of rice fallow in India to be used for pulse production. Not just bringing the science and technology, but also the social innovation that allows for farmers to unlock the potential of their rice fallow to produce pulses and to access equitable markets to increase their income. Prime Minister Modi has asked all of us to work in concert to double farmer income by 2022. And so this will be a very important intervention to realizing that vision. In Ethiopia, we've been working very closely with a wide range of partners, including the Ethiopian Institute of Agriculture Research, to increase the productivity and profitability of chickpea. And I'm proud to say that that intervention has led to a 12.6% increase in household income for chickpea farmers. This has translated into not just economic opportunity, but enabling farmers to send their children to school, to access health services, and to improve their overall livelihoods. In West Africa, we've been working with a wide range of partners on groundnut to increase the profitability of groundnut, especially against the backdrop of climate change as we deal with rainfall variability and helping farmers manage that. And so across all of these domains, we're using cutting-edge science such as genomics through innovation systems to support farmers in managing and adapting to climate change, to unlocking equitable markets, and to making sure that we bring everyone along to ensure equitable development wherever we work through country strategies and partnerships. I would just like to reiterate the sense of urgency that we need to have in order to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, especially for the semi-arid tropics, where the impact of climate change and malnutrition are most acute, and where we need to respond in concert around country strategies that ensures our science is relevant to the needs of smallholder farmers, that we're working through a wide range of partners in a concerted manner to deliver integrated, demand-driven solutions for smallholder farmers and their families. I just want to thank our dedicated staff and partners for the achievements of 2016. They've been tremendous as we serve smallholder farmers in the semi-arid tropics with cutting-edge science, but also understand the science of delivery in making sure we empower them to realize their goals and aspirations for their families through our efforts and partnerships. I also want to thank our partners that have worked alongside these income-generating opportunities of reality for smallholder farmers, and to our investors who have believed in us and stood beside us in investing in our work. We have faced challenges, and our goal for 2017 is to ensure that the grain, legumes, and dryland crops are integrated into the CGR research portfolio by the end of 2017, because these crops are critically important for us to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and helping farmers adapt to climate change. In closing, I want to wish everyone a healthy and prosperous 2017 as we work together to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals with a true sense of ownership and urgency.